Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining us, welcome to it. I really do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. As I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of today's video, today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day. This video was very highly requested, so I did go ahead and do the things that needed to be done. You guys will be seeing one full day of me eating. This way of eating for me is more so to help me maintain my weight / lose weight, because I'm not doing really any exercise during lockdown, so I do need to make sure that I'm monitoring my diet. Again, I think if you are more strict with the diet and you don't actually cheat, because obviously I cheat quite a bit on the weekends. You know, on some days I allow myself some treats just because, you know, life's too short. It's lockdown, we're in quarantine. If not, why not? Do you understand? If you guys do enjoy these videos, please do let me know down below so that I can make some more for you guys. Please do not forget to like my video. Let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Please don't forget to comment down below if you guys would like to see more of these videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And let us get straight into the video.
Cartoons in my head where you rest when I'm writing my tune.
Alrighty guys, so first things first, we're going to start off with breakfast. I called this breakfast, but really and truly I'm just having tea. You guys will know by now that I have green tea in the morning, green tea with lemon juice. Now you guys, if you guys have been watching my channel, my most recent videos, you guys would know this. I have this in my little Starbucks cup. I really love this cup because it allows me to have as much tea as I want. Obviously here you guys are seeing that I'm not having that much. You guys can see that I get my lemon juice from Woolies as well. And that's it for me when it comes to breakfast. This is what I have first thing in the morning.
Looking for that like the song when I'm headed on tour. You'll realize and reply with bonjour. Say your reason.
Alright guys, so for lunchtime, this is what you will need to create the little scrambled egg extravaganza that you guys are going to be seeing me make here. You guys know that I love me a good egg in the morning. While I do have oats on my days when I'm super hungry, on most days, these days, let me say lately, I've been having this little egg situation. So first you guys are going to see me prep the eggs, and then you guys will see how I actually make my scrambled eggs. You guys will see that I did use some products, or not products, ingredients that you guys didn't see in that first frame. But of course, I just listed the most important things that you cannot go without when you are making this recipe. I won't talk too much because I feel like everything is pretty self-explanatory. So enjoy me making my lunch / actually brunch, because I didn't have breakfast, but as collab.
I'm the coolest motherfucker in this bitch.
We are sip the honey for the day, baby. Bad man, we lost straight, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but can I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. You know, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Little let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. Little let me touch and little let me love you to the morning. For the day, baby. Come my way, baby. top down on the highway, baby. If you let me lay it, shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas he's off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. Can I know from the first time I see you, love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got.
And this is the final meal, guys. It is so good. I really do urge you guys to try this out. You will love it.
Everyone falls.
So guys, for snack time, I normally will have a clementine, as they call them. You can get these from Woolworths. They're called like honey gold, I think. Yeah, from Woolies. And then afterwards, I go ahead and I make myself my little avocado rice cake extravaganza next. I like having 2 snacks, or normally I will have 2 snacks before dinner time, because obviously, guys, it's really hard to hold off up until dinner. So this is what I do. I literally just take 1 rice cake and then I put a 1/4 avocado on top of it. I just smash it on the top. I season it a little bit and then I just sprinkle some grated cheese on top, and that is it. And a bon appetit. If you guys know where that's from, comment down below. So guys, dinner time, you guys will be seeing me make a pasta. As you guys know, I really love myself a good pasta, and this pasta is super easy to make, super quick to make, and it is super delicious. So while everything is cooking, you guys will just need to know that I am going to be making this pasta on the side. I'm just going to put some hot water, salt, and a little bit of oil in it, and then I'm just going to leave it to cook while I actually make the sauce part of it. So first things first, you want to take 3 chicken breasts and you want to cut them into cubes. Because I am using penne pasta, I like for my chicken to be a little bit chunky. Of course, guys, you will see that I'm not super meticulous, like they're not going to be in perfect squares. This is just for me. This is not like anything fancy. So honestly, this is not like, you know, I'm not a chef or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, you just cube your chicken and put it to the side.
Talking about early in the morning, looking at the party just a little bit more. Down for it if you're still around for it.
I think it's about time we link up. Too far. Keep it hush, don't say too much. Know what we both want if we up. DTF, I'm down to fuck. DTF, I'm down to fuck. Keep it hush, don't say too much. DTF, I'm down to fuck. Keep it hush, don't say too much. Know what we both want if we up.
Next up, you want to take your onions and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to cut them into like cubes. You don't want your cubes to be too small. Well, I don't like them being too small because obviously I still want to have them present in the sauce. I don't mind them being chunkier for that reason. So yeah, cut your onions up. Again, doesn't have to be super meticulous. We're not chefs here. We're just trying to make a quick little dinner and get it popping, okay?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Then you're going to take some olive oil, canola oil, whatever oil you like to use. Then you're going to put in your onions. You're going to let them simmer, I would say, on medium heat. You also do want to season them with some salt and pepper. You guys will see that I use a salt and pepper mix from Woolworths. Following that, you guys will see that I go ahead and I will add in my chicken cubes. After you add in your chicken cubes, you will go ahead and season the chicken. You guys know that I don't know if you guys know this, but you would have seen from the whole video that I am somebody who loves flavorful food. I like seasoning. I don't shy away from it. So I go ahead and I add in my Portuguese chicken spice, and then I also add in the garlic pepper seasoning from Ina Palmen specifically. I love Ina Palmen seasonings, just by the way.
I told you to get out. Didn't need a word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go ahead.
After I've left my chicken to cook, again guys, I leave this on medium and I do cover it so that it cooks quicker and that it cooks all around. I will go ahead and I'll add in my pasta sauce. You guys will see me add this in very soon. I get this pasta sauce from Woolworths. I absolutely love it. Do check the description box below for the actual name of the pasta sauce. But honestly guys, you need to try it. Trust and believe. I do find that Woolworths sauces sometimes are not as flavorful as I would like, so I do add in a bit of seasoning. You guys will see me add in a little bit of seasoning here and there just to make sure that the flavors, the material isn't lost. Do you get me?
I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind to caught up in the streets.
I'm gonna leave this to simmer for a bit because leaving it to simmer will make sure that the pasta sauce actually heats up all round, because I feel like if you do not pay attention to letting it simmer, you will see that, or you will find that the pasta sauce is cold in other areas, whereas I would like my food to be piping hot. Following that, you guys will see that I add in some spinach. I really like spinach, as you guys will probably gather from this video. I have spinach in as many meals as I can, just because having dark green leafy vegetables packs in a lot of fiber into your meals. And I just feel like it's a good way to get in your vegetables, and spinach tastes amazing, specifically baby spinach. Of course, you can get any spinach you like. I personally love baby spinach. Following this, you will see that I will add in my white cheddar cheese. Of course, you can use any cheese that you want to add in. I specifically just had this at home, so that's what I put in it. But it will also be really great with Parmesan or any really cheese that you have. Really, it's not that deep.
What are you guys?
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that?
Then once our pasta is ready, as you guys can see, I will add in my pasta, and then I will combine the pasta with the sauce and the filling and all of that good stuff. And it looks so good, guys. It looks so good, and trust me when I say it tasted even better.
See me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my bed?
So guys, that is my finished pasta. As you guys can see, she's looking amazing. Please let me know what your favorite meal was down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Tell me what you guys like eating, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Pomia, say she give me pomia. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind say she give me dirty one say. Girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking, I don't think so. Girl your body say you